So welcome to this video. In this video, we're going to see how you can back up a WordPress website. So to start with, this is the back end of a WordPress website. So to start with, head over to plugin, click add plugin. Then type in on the search bar on your right, type in updraft. Then click, you see updraft on the left side, click on install. Then click activate. So click on settings to start with. So you can see this is the back end of this Object Plus plugin. So you have to set up, link the plugin to your email so that your backup will be stored to the Google Drive cloud. So to do that, come over here to settings. As you can see, you have different storage, remote storage that your backup can be saved to. So we select Google Drive here and click Save Changes. Then when you save changes, you will see it will give you ask you to sign into your Google Drive account for the backup. So you click on sign in with Google. So this is here, you select your email. Then click continue. And it will ask you to grant it access to your Google account. Then click continue. You can see say setup is now complete. So now go back, click complete setup. So as you can see, you can back up immediately. Or let's go back to settings. You have to make the to know the backup. Depending on your website, you can make it. If it's an e-commerce website, you have to make it a daily backup. But in this instance, this is a corporate entity website, so weekly backup is ideal for it. Then you can determine if the backup will be retained, how long will backup be retained before it's deleted from the backend. When anything you've changed here, remember to always click save changes. So when we've done that, go back to backup and restore. So let us initiate our first backup here. Click backup. Here you can allow this to be deleted manually or automatically. So we just leave it manually. This is the first backup so that it will remain on the back end. So just click backup. You can see the backup is now finished. So let's close it. So let's say we scan the remote storage to see. So as you can see, this is the backup we initiated earlier. This is the backup. You can see the time of the backup is here. Database, plugin, themes, upload, and others, they're all here. You can choose to download it, restore, delete. So it is backup to a remote storage, which is the Google Drive. So Another way, let us check it at the back end to see where it is in the Google Drive. So you can see a folder here. You can see a folder here of drafts, and you can see there's a backup here. See, this is the time of the backup from um, the backup we initiated earlier. This is the backup here. So that's how you can see folder. So that's how you can back up your WordPress website. So thank you for watching. Take our time to subscribe, to like what we do, share and comment if you have anything to say. Thank you for watching.